Matched Pair Study by Zach and Xavier. And thanks for recording, David.
Yo, what's good, Xavier?
Yo, what's up,
How
Zach?
you doing, bro?
Good, how you?
Bro, I got a challenge for you. Since we randomly showed up to this park, said we do a little soccer challenge, shoot 5 points. Whoever makes the most goals wins.
I bet. Usually gets felt up with the ball.
I bet. Hey, Xavier, that's 5, and you lost. Go line up, bro. Ready? Yeah. I bet. Xavier, I'm sorry, bro. No.
Now that the skit is over, it's time for the notes. Our topic is on matched pair studies, and our question is Zach and Xavier are out on a soccer field having a wager to see who can shoot more goals. After losing, Xavier wonders if it's easier to shoot barefoot or with cleats. Part A. Create a matched pair studies with a group of 10 people to compare shot accuracy between cleats and barefoot. Part B. Explain how a confounding variable could affect the study given that the weather changed throughout the experiment. Part C. Explain how bias and undercovers could have been present in this study. There are 3 steps into making a matched pair study. Step 1 is to create a specific random selection. Step 2 is to create a specific random assignment. And step 3 is to show specific results. And remember to be specific. That is the AP hint. For the layout, you're going to separate the 3 steps into 3 different boxes. The first box being SRS, specific random selection. You're going to number each individual 1 through 10 in a random number generator, making sure there are no duplicates. Pull 5 numbers, which are going to go to group 1, and the remaining 5 numbers go to group 2. The second box will be the specific random assignment. You're going to flip a coin for group 1. Heads means they'll shoot 5 shots with cleats, tails means they'll shoot 5 shots barefoot. Group 2 will get the selection that was not chosen. After the first test, the groups will take a break and then switch tests. The third box will be the specific results. Compare the average total of shots made between cleats and barefoot. 1 goal will equal 1 point. Make sure the answer is not naked. Include units to keep it dressed. Part B. Confounding. A confounding variable is when multiple factors affect the study by swaying the results in the same direction, which makes it hard to see the true results of the study. When explaining how confounding has affected the study, you must show how the factors have different effects for the same direction. For example, rain can make the grass wet, making it harder for players that are barefoot to hit the ball since they could slip and mess up their kick, while players with cleats have studs on the bottom of their shoes which prevents them from being able to slip. Part C. Bias, which is overestimation or underestimation in one direction that must be justified. Bias could be present in this study if some of the players were better than others. For example, if the people in Group 1 played sports more often than the people in Group 2, then the experiment could be biased towards Group 1 because they might have a better technique. Undercoverage. Undercoverage takes place when members of a population are excluded or misrepresented. For example, if only tall people were in this study, there would be an undercoverage of short people, and the results might not apply to them because they are being excluded. And that's all for matched pair studies. Good luck on your test.